My D&E was in second grade, and we went over the water cycle. My idea was to have them order some real-life pictures before the D&E of the three stages that second grade has learned, which is evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. And I was going to ask them about those stages in my questioning. And I think I did really good providing those visuals that connected to students' lives and asking like what connections they made. I planned on them actually telling me some connections they had to the pictures and then how it related to the water cycle. But I think some of the girls didn't really understand what I was trying to ask. So I know I need to try to get my questions clear for their understanding. Um, I think some areas of improvement would be, like I just said, my clear questions with this activity. I also wish, like, before I had started, that I had talked about evaporation, condensation, and precipitation and had, like, an overview of why the water cycle was important. I also think I should have asked the higher order thinking question of um, what the water cycle would be without evaporation and what would happen to our Earth if evaporation didn't happen. I think that would have provided a really good level 3 question, which I think my level 3 question wasn't um, as like more of a level 2. My first question was that what I connected to. I think that was more of a level 2, as that's what we talked about in class. So I think my yes or no questions would have been me asking, oh, what is evaporation? What is condensation? What is precipitation? That's one thing I should have put in my video. My misconception was that students sometimes get confused that the water cycle can start at any stage. So I addressed this by asking the question of how they ordered their cards and then to justify why they ordered them that way. So in my video, I know I had someone talk about how they started their card with evaporation, and one of them started with precipitation. And to hit this misconception, I asked them to start from condensation and talk to a partner and state the steps of the water cycle. I think this helped them understand that the water cycle is an ongoing cycle and there's no actual starting point in the cycle.